The monsoon session of Parliament will begin on July 21 and will run until August 19, 2025, as it has been extended by a week beyond its original schedule. Both houses will reconvene at 11 a.m. after a recess of over 3 months. The session is expected to see intense political confrontation as the opposition and the government brace for a legislative and political face-off. In a virtual meeting held just days before the session, 24 parties from the India bloc resolved to launch a coordinated attack on the Modi government. Their focus was alleged security lapses, foreign policy controversies, and threats to democratic processes. Key issues include the Pahalgam terror attack, as the opposition condemned recent terror attack in Pahalgam, calling it a serious intelligence failure. Congress leader Pramod Tiwari demanded PM Modi explain how the attackers managed to escape untraced. Another key issue is Operation Sindoor and US mediation claims. The opposition wants clarity on US President Donald Trump's claim that the US brokered a ceasefire between India and Pakistan. One more key issue is the Bihar electoral roll update. The bloc alleged that the special intensive revision of voter rolls starting in Bihar is a systematic attempt at vote bandi or voter suppression. Further, unemployment, inflation and farmer distress were also flagged during opposition's meeting. Meanwhile, the Modi government is set to introduce and pass 8 bills during the session. These include Manipur Goods and Services Tax Bill, Jan Vishwas Amendment of Provisions Bill, Indian Institutes of Management Bill, Taxation Laws Amendment Bill, Geo-Heritage Sites and Geo-Relics Preservation and Maintenance Bill, Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Bill, National Sports Governance Bill, and National Anti-Doping Amendment Bill. Now, as the monsoon session begins, the India bloc appears ready for a sharp confrontation in Parliament, aiming to challenge the government on both legislative and moral grounds, while the centre pushes forward with its planned reforms and bills.